Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to dynamically change groups in Monday.com. This is a powerful feature that lets you reorganize your board on the fly, allowing you to view your work from different perspectives without permanently altering your board structure. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by navigating to your board in Monday.com. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Group By dropdown at the top of the board. You'll find this positioned right next to the board title and view options. This is your command center for dynamically reorganizing how your items are displayed. Now go ahead and click on the Group By dropdown. When you do this, a menu will appear showing you all the available columns you can use to regroup your board. This is where the magic happens, as you can choose any column that makes sense for how you want to view your data at that moment from the list that appears. Select a column you'd like to group by. This could be status, date, people, or any other column you have on your board. The beauty of this feature is that it adapts to your board structure, so you'll see options specific to your setup. For example, if you select status, you're choosing to organize everything based on where items are in your workflow. Watch as your items automatically regroup themselves by the selected column's values. This happens instantly, and you'll notice that Monday.com creates temporary subgroups based on the unique values in the column you chose. So if you group by status, you'll now see separate sections for each status type, like working on it, done, stuck, or whatever status options you have configured. If you group by people, you'll see sections for each team member assigned to tasks. Take a moment to verify that everything has regrouped the way you expected. The items should now be organized into these temporary subgroups, making it much easier to focus on specific aspects of your project. For instance, grouping by date lets you see what's due while grouping by people shows you who's working on what. If you want to revert back to your original grouping structure, simply click the Group By dropdown again. You'll notice a Clear option in the top right corner of that menu. Click Clear and your board will return to its default grouping setup. This flexibility means you can experiment with different views without worrying about permanently changing your board's organization. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to dynamically change groups in Monday.com, giving you the power to view your work from multiple angles whenever you need to. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.